What up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today, from a time lapse, you saw me taking off my my custom grill that I got and putting it back here. Definitely testing out these letters. So today what I'm going to be doing is installing these letters. Normally these letters don't come with the grill, but obviously from that first Rebel grill that I had from that video a couple weeks ago that you saw, I love the lettering. The problem is this grill only comes with these running lights here, which is awesome, but I also wanted to makeshift something a little bit different. So I actually found a seller on eBay who was willing to sell me just the lights. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. The only little challenge is that these letters are not necessarily made for this grill. They're more made for a mesh grill. That's why you should have these studs back here. So what I'm going to have to do is do some definitely some critical thinking and figure out how I'm going to do this, because either I might have to cut the studs like you see me makeshift. I already tapped a couple holes to make sure that the integrity wouldn't suffer. So I wanted to make sure that it wouldn't crack or anything like that under that type of pressure. Also, I even drilled the body. So I want to see what this stuff can handle. So that's all I'm going to be doing today. Obviously I'm gonna need, a drill, small, probably 5/64 bits. I'm gonna be joining all these letters together in one, and then I'm gonna be running them off of my nighttime sensor lights. So it won't turn on with my ignition, but it will only turn on when my other lights go on at night. Because the only issue is these RAM letters are red, but during the day with the white, red with white light, it kind of makes it look pink. So I don't want this shit coming on during the day. So it'll only be for when it gets, evening time or whatever. But as I said, that's not even the challenge. The challenge is getting that bad boy on there and staying on there, because it's not made for this grill. So here we go. All right guys, so check what I did. So these studs, instead of cutting them off, I end up cross drilling holes and putting a zip tie just like how you see it right here. So in essence, since I put these loops right here, I'm gonna run a zip tie through them just like so. Just like this, and bring it around these brackets right here like so. So it can literally hold on to them. And then right here where the letters are touching like the middle of the grill, I'll put some 3M tape just to reinforce it a little bit more. I also put small holes right here so I could put a nice low profile zip tie right here as well. And that should work. So that's what you're about to see. I'm about to do the rest just like that, then I'm gonna wire it up afterwards. Okay, so 3M tape, that's the only thing that's holding it right there. So it's actually perfect in the middle. No measuring tape or nothing, just using the eyeballs. So anyway, once I put the zip ties, it'll definitely reinforce it, and I'm straight. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for the rest. Here we go. All right guys, so what you see me doing here is fastening up the letters to the grill with the zip ties. And over here, what I did was I took each negative wire from each letter, joined them into one, and I did the same for the positive as well. So I have all the negatives in one on one black wire, and then I have all the positive wires on one red wire, if you get what I'm saying. All right, so it's pretty much almost complete. It's mostly time lapses, obviously, as you could see. So it's pretty much finished. The M is obviously, the A is in dead center off the grill, but the M is almost like a ½ inch bigger than all the letters. So the spacing had to be a little bit weird just to compensate. But for the most part, it looks pretty good. What else? Oh yeah. The studs in the M was so effed up. As I said before, this is for a mesh grill. It's not for these with straight lines. So one of the studs, see that stud right there? It literally rested on the grill. So what I did was I put a nice hole and I put a screw with a washer right there so it's firm. And what you see me doing is I joined all the wiring. And what I did was I have these 2-pin connectors. So they're gonna act as a quick connector. So if I ever take the grill off, I just gotta take this off. Closer on, close to where I'm gonna be tapping in, because as I said, I already have a wire set aside from the last time with the Rebel grill. I'm gonna be getting in close with this right here. It's an inline fuse. So I'm gonna be connecting this close to where I'll be making the connection for this. And so just in case anything goes wrong, the fuse is gonna blow out, just for safety. So I'm gonna have obviously a quick disconnect right here. So if I take off the grill, I don't have to keep, you know, pulling out the tap from all the way where the fuse box is. So I could just do a quick connect or a quick disconnect, and I'll have this for safety. And that's really it. So I'm about to mount this bad boy up. All right, check it. So what I did was I also added a quick disconnect to these white running lights right here. Hey, if I have it, I might as well add it, right? Now, after the disconnect, see the inline fuse right here. Boom, negative wire. The running lights, those white running lights, they already have a built-in fuse right here as well. That's the reason why I also added one to my letters. So, you know what I'm saying? So at least now I know everything will be covered if something was to happen. And let's go install this bad boy. All right, fam, so everything is where it's supposed to be. Everything is back together. Looks pretty freaking sweet. That's what I can tell you. I'm gonna test out to see if it works real quick, but before that, everything is back together. These let me tell you, these quick connects are life. Let me tell you, I actually literally had to take the grill back out for a second and pop. Super easy. Super easy. Give me a second. All right, so here we go. Yeah, it works. Once the ignition goes on, the white ones, the white is gonna light up. And once the lights come on, bam! I'll take some shots later on tonight. All right, guys, so this is a really quick test just to show you what I'm talking about with the ambient running lights. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the car up. You're gonna see that the symbol is not gonna light up. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump in the truck real quick while it's idling, throw a piece of cloth over the sensor that detects darkness or light, and watch it pop on. Alright, so it's nice and dark. Let's see how this bad boy is gonna work. Damn, this shit is bright, man, but it looks so damn nice. Look how beautiful that shit looks. Beautiful. Guys, you know what to do. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think in the comments. I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me for this install. And I will see y'all soon, man. It was a pleasure. Take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.